and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I have a very simple song for you guys, and obviously popular. It's from Junior H, probably not how you pronounce his name because I think it's Spanish here going on. The song is called Mi Gata. Could it be my cat translated into English? I'm not sure, I believe so. Anyway, a very simple song. This will be very fast going on this tutorial. So we have a capo set here on this 6th fret, absolute best scenario. 3 chords going on here, and they will be very simple with capo on. We're gonna start with A minor 7, open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the G6 add 4. I believe that is the technical name. Very easy to grip that as well. Third E, second A, open D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the F, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret, you push down all strings there as much as you can, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And there you have the rotation in that order: A minor, G to F from the beginning till the very end. At 1 minute and 55 seconds in, you clearly hear what's going on when it comes to handling these chords, and it's very simple. Grab the first chord, A minor 7, you're gonna play 2 downs per chord like this for 1 string round. So bass top, that is basically it. So bass top, bass top. Okay, so you're going to play 2 of these for A minor, 2 of these for the G, and 4 for F. So bass top, G, G, F, F, F. Alright guys, so that is basically it. From the beginning till the very end, 3 chords, this simple 2 down strumming pattern, if you could call it. 2 downs per chord. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.